get you up my mind. I can get you up my mind. I can get you up my mind.
In today's video, we will be going over Olaplex. So today I will be doing a wash day using the Olaplex series. I have Olaplex number 0, I have Olaplex number 3, and I have Olaplex number 4 and 8. Olaplex is known for helping to repair damaged hair. So we will be starting our wash day with Olaplex number 0, and then we will be following up with Olaplex number 3. We will be shampooing with Olaplex number 4, and I'm really excited that we'll be deep conditioning with Olaplex number 8. This is their new hair mask, so I'm super excited to use this today. So if you are struggling with your hair and you don't want to cut it, let's get into this Olaplex. Okay, so today is wash day and my hair is definitely in need of a wash. So this is what we're starting with. A super old twist out. So in terms of moisture, my hair does get a lot of good moisture. I have a pretty good protein treatment going as well. So I have a pretty good moisture protein balance. But one thing my hair does lack and could use a little more of is elasticity. So I'm really excited to see the way my hair will respond to these products. So let's get started with step 1, which is number 0. And that is the intensive bond building hair treatment. So first thing I will do is actually section my hair. I like to work in sections of 4. Just because of my density. I feel like it just makes my hair more manageable. If you've used the Olaplex products or you're interested in using the Olaplex products, comment below and let me know what you think about the products. Or if you haven't used them yet, tell me what products you're excited to use and try out on your hair. So the Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment is really runny and watery. It literally feels like water and it has no scent, so there's no smell in it. The star ingredient in this is bis-aminopropyl diglycol dimethate. I think that is their proprietary ingredient that they use, and it is an ingredient that's in all 3 products. So I think it is just getting the hair ready for the number 3, which is your hair perfector. So right now, applying it initially, I don't feel any difference. It just feels like I'm wetting my hair. So I assume that's what it's supposed to feel like because this product is prepping my hair for the number 3. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button so I know that this is something you like and appreciate from me. So overall, I like the Olaplex number 0. I feel like it is preparing my hair for the number 3. It is a primer. It's supposed to repair, strengthen, and protect. So my hair is prepped for number 3. So let's move on to the Olaplex number 3, which is the hair perfector. And this is supposed to repair and strengthen hair. The directions state to apply to damp hair, which my hair is from using the number 0, and then to apply a generous amount from scalp to ends, thoroughly saturate, and then leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes. This stuff comes out fast. I will be using the Olaplex products on natural type 4 hair, and I feel like they are really beneficial for natural hair. So if you are natural and you haven't used Olaplex, go ahead and look into them. Do some research and see if it's a product line that would suit you and your lifestyle. Okay, so I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for 10 minutes just to help this product absorb into my dirty hair. And then when I come back, we'll rinse it out. Okay, so I sat under my hooded dryer for 10 minutes and I let the product seep into my hair. So now we are going to rinse it out using the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo, which is the Olaplex No. 4. So let's get to shampooing. The Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. It has a really nice lather. It's pretty runny. It's not too thick. It goes on the hair nice and smooth and creamy. When you apply it to your hair, it lathers really well. My hair is really, really dirty. So the first shampoo I did, I mainly focused on my scalp. I got the Olaplex No. 4 all over my scalp and I worked it in. My hair is still in twist, so I'm just going to shampoo while my hair is in twist. Really just working my fingers into my scalp. Once I'm finished with this round, I will rinse it out and I will shampoo again. So I rinsed all of it out of my hair. I applied some more to the roots and I also work it down the ends. Now, the second time around, I focused still on my roots. I unravel my twist. Then I actually work the shampoo down my hair. I also use a brush and I brush the shampoo through. Now, this is something that a lot of naturals don't do. I know mainly we focus on our scalps and not really our hair strands because we don't want to dry them out. But in my instance, I like to work my shampoo through my strands and get my hair completely clean. I do like that squeaky clean feeling. So if you're like that, go ahead and work the product through your strands. But if you're not, just focus on your scalp and call it a day. When you have low porosity hair, you really want to make sure you remove any old product from your strands. That way your hair can be more likely to accept the new product you're going to put on your hair. Please do what works best for you and your hair. So the shampoo left my hair feeling fluffy, squeaky clean, just how I like it. So now we're going to move on to the Olaplex No. 8, which is the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. I will also be doing another video more focused on the hair mask and give a little more detail with that video, so be on the lookout for that if you are interested in purchasing the hair mask and you do want some more information. So I like the Olaplex No. 0 in conjunction with the Olaplex No. 3 to help strengthen my hair bonds. I really enjoyed the shampoo and I also like the hair mask. I feel like all of these products worked well together. I like the whole repair without cutting because I was actually going to trim my ends today, but I'm going to do an experiment to see if my ends end up looking better. I still need to do a trim regardless, but I just want to see how my ends look before I go ahead and do that. So I'll update you on that. But I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something new. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to me because I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya.